children, from today onwards, we are going to start the basic reading practice. We will start with phonic sounds. Each letter has a different phonic sound, so let us learn it. By practicing these phonic sounds, you will learn how to pronounce new words without mistake. So, in English, how many letters are there? 26 letters. Out of them, how many vowels do we have? 5 vowels. They are A, E, I, O and U. The remaining 21 letters are the consonants. In the 5 vowels தவிர remaining letters எல்லாம் நம்ம consonants ன்னு சொல்லுவோம். So first vowels உடைய sounds learn பண்ணலாமா? Letter A, the sound of letter A is A. What picture is this? Ant. A, ant. நம்ம ஒவ்வொரு வேர்ட்ஸ் சொல்லும் போது அதோட பிகினிங் சவுண்டை நீங்கள் அப்சர்வ் பண்ணுங்கள். லிசன் டு த பிகினிங் சவுண்ட். தென் யூ கேன் ஐடென்டிஃபை த letter sounds. Next letter is E. The sound of E is A. E, A. What picture is this? Elephant. The next letter is I. What is the sound of I? E. I, E. Insect. What is the next letter? O. What is the sound of letter O? O. O, orange. What is the next letter? Letter U. What is the sound of U? What picture is this? Umbrella. U, umbrella. Dear children, now you know all the 5 vowel sounds. Now let us learn consonants. What letter is this? B. B, B, bat. Next letter is letter C. The sound of C is K. C, K, cat. The next letter is letter D. The sound of D is D. D, D, dog. The next letter is F. The sound of F is F. F, F, fish. The next letter is letter G. The sound of G is G. G, G, gun. The next letter is letter H. The sound of H is H. H, H, hut. The next letter is letter J. The sound of J is J. J, J, jug. The next letter is letter K. The sound of K is K. K, K, kite. The next letter is letter L. The sound of L is L. L, L, lollipop. The next letter is letter M. The sound of M is M. M, M, mango. The next letter is letter N. The sound of N is N. N, N, nest. Next letter is letter P. The sound of P is P. P, P, pen. The next letter is letter Q. The sound of Q is Q. Q, Q, queen. The next letter is letter R. The sound of letter R is R. R, R, rat. The next letter is letter S. The sound of letter S is S. S, S, snake. The next letter is letter T. The sound of letter T is T. T, T, tub. The next letter is letter V. The sound of V is V. V, V, van. The next letter is letter W. The sound of W is W. W, watch. The next letter is letter X. The sound of X is X. X, X. Box. The next letter is letter Y. The sound of Y is Y. Y, yak. The next letter is letter Z. The sound of Z is Z. Z, zip. So dear children, now you have learned the sounds of English alphabet. Practice this daily at home. Next week fulla இந்த phonics sounds நல்லா practice பண்ணி A to Z வரைக்கும் இருக்கிற sounds நல்லா learn பண்ணிக்கோங்க. See you again in the next phonics class. Until then, bye bye. Thank you.